Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Elephant in the room. I have a huge box of baby 3 blind boxes to open up today. KikaGoods sent me these over. So for the past, I don't know, 5-6 years I've been working with KikaGoods. Absolutely love them. The prices are always on point. I can always trust them with finding me authentic blind boxes, and they are a great option for people here in the UK who may struggle to come across very special blind boxes such as these. So these are the baby 3 blind boxes. I have been obsessed with baby 3s recently, especially the ones with the boba eyes. So we are praying to the baby 3 gods today for some boba eyes in this box. So like I said, these are from KikaGoods. They work out around about £11 with the conversion rate at the moment because they actually sell it in US dollars. But with my coupon code Chelsey DIY, you can get a further 10% off, which is just amazing because here in the UK I've been spending anywhere from like £15 up to, and I'm actually embarrassed to say this, I spent £27 on a baby 3 blind box recently. And did I pull the one that I didn't want? Yes, but I mean that's on me, it really is. So anyway, we're going to be unboxing this whole box of baby 3s today and I cannot wait, so let's get into it. Now let's take a quick look at one of these boxes. This is what they look like close up. So adorable. Here are all the options on there as well. Do you see them? Let me see which one I would really like out of all of them. I think my favorite would probably be the little cuddle one at the top because it has this little baby bunny. Do you see that? But to be honest, I don't even think I'm going to be disappointed with a single one. Will we get the secret today? I don't know, but we've got a good chance. So let's stop talking and get to opening. Ooh. Let's have a look. Right, inside bag, this is what we're working with. I'll just show you the first one and then we'll kind of know what they look like, won't we? But here we go, look. Very sweet. Loving all the colours on there. Let's rip her open. Oh, do it from the other side. First peek for you. Oh my goodness, look at the... We have boba eyes! Oh my goodness. Oh, this is too cute. Let's pop it up there. Look at this. Wow, that is very soft. Oh, I'm thrilled at that. Look how adorable she is. Are you joking? Look at her little feet. Oh. It's got little paw details on the bottom, lace around her neck, the ears posable. Look at them, they have wire inside. We have a nice secure ring loop to hang it on our bags. This little baby is going on my bag for sure. Her little hands there, her little feet sticking out, and of course the boba eyes, and we can move them all around, which is what I absolutely love. Oh my goodness, I am so happy already. Oh, she's got little hearts with little angel wings on her cheeks. Stop, look at it. No, that is so cute. The fuzziness as well. Can you see my nails going through that? That made a sound. That would be great ASMR. Oh, I love her. And out of the box as well, look, there's her little card. She looks identical to that, in fact. I can't get enough. That is so cute. Okay, on to the next one. Which one shall we do here? We'll go with this one. Try not to look at the card. I like the surprise. Are you a person who likes the surprise or do you like looking at the card? I like the surprise. Ready for a good pull? Oh, that was a good one. Okay, I see pink. I see pink. Oh, oh, more boba eyes as well. Thank you, baby 3 gods. Look. Oh my goodness, a little outfit. Stop, she is beautiful. Oh my goodness, her little bunny ears here too. In fact, I just realised it's the baby from the front, isn't it? Do you see that? And again, here is her card. I just can't get enough. Look at these little pom-poms as well. Oh, 2 out of 2 for boba eyes. I am thrilled. And it's got little bunnies on her cheeks there. Got little toesies as well sticking out of it. So cute. Okay, box 3 now. Oh my goodness, I'm having the time of my life. Can't believe 2 out of 2 for boba eyes already. Let's get going. Which one do we think it is? Oh, the boba eyes and goodness. 3 out of 3. Thank you, Boba God. Oh my goodness. This is even better than what I thought it would be. The bunny, the boba eyes, the moons on the cheeks. Stop. The pink and purple colouring is gorgeous. That's going to go with so many of my things. And it's got little yellow kind of bloomers on underneath. Are you joking? Oh, that is adorable. Do you know what as well? All these clothes, they do actually come off. So if that's like not your thing, you can take them off. Do I want to though? No, because that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at its bunny. My goodness, again, it's so super soft. Hopefully I'm giving you like close-up clips and everything. It's got stars and little earmuffs on there. Oh, I'm thrilled. Look at those eyeballs. Oh, I love it. This is going wonderfully. Box number 4 now, okay. I am so thrilled. So thrilled. Let's see who we get. Quick fire round. Oh, it doesn't have boba eyes, okay? But it's still very cute. It's like almost like a little panda or something. In fact, look at that little suit. It's got paw prints on there. The eyes, they're a little bit creepy. There's bunnies in there. There's bunnies. They're cute. I don't love him as much as the boba eyes, okay? But he is cute. He's got a tail. Is he a panda? Is it a panda? Would you say that's a panda? Maybe that's not a panda. I don't know. Let's take his little suit off. See his little hands. Free his little hands. See what I mean? There we go. See, you can take them off. So that there would go really well with a little neutral outfit, wouldn't it? Love the little baby 3-star plush on there. That is beautiful. Do you know what? I might gift that to one of my nieces because I now have 13 nieces and nephews. I am like the favourite auntie when I unbox things like this because I'm like, come on kids, come and have a new blind box. But look at that. That is gorgeous. Sad it's not got the boba eyes though, but you know, we can only be lucky for so long. Okay, box number 5. Let's give it a pull. Are you ready? Oh. That was anticlimactic. Boba eyes. Boba eyes. Okay. Boba eyes! Oh, who is this baby? This is the... I don't really know because I don't feel like the translations are right, but it's got a dummy! It's the boba eyes that get me. Oh, she's got a little bit of plastic on her face. Let's get that off of you, sweetie. Oh, what a cutie patootie. Again, she's got pom-poms. She's even got little buns up here. Stop it! Look! Oh, she is beautiful. Again, I can't see her feet. That's quite sad. I feel like when I can't see their hands and feet, I want to take their little costumes off. But very cute. We can move her eyeballs all around with the boba eyes again. 4 out of 5 with boba eyes. I'm thrilled. The little ears as well. Oh my goodness, I'm building up such a collection. Right, there's only 3 left now. Who are we missing? I don't know, but we're about to find out. Are we going to get the secret again? I don't know, but we are about to find out again. So let's open her up. Oh, that was a good one that time. Ready, steady. Over that, over that. Oh, boba eyes. Oh, she's got plastic as well. Let's take it off, sweetie. Let's take it off. Oh, stop it. What is that? That one is the snoozling. It's got a little bear hat on. Look at that. It's got button eyes, kind of giving Coraline vibes. You can take a little hood back. It is stitched on this one, but I'm not mad at that. That is very, very cute. She looks all wrapped up for winter in there, and again I can see her little toes, I can see her little hands poking on through, so that's cute. Love the little plush bunny on that one. Again, very, very soft, and again a gorgeous little hang tag to put it on your bag. Okay. 2 left. Which one shall we go for? Which one? You choose. Did you say this one? Okay, we'll do that one. Right, ready? Pull. Let's hope for the best with this one. I always like a satisfying, like, pull of it, okay? Oh, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. Right, let's see. Oh, oh no boba eyes. Oh, why are these? Are these ears? So we've got, or are they wings? Wait, are they back to front? I don't know. Oh no, they're supposed to hang down. It's okay. I was like, oh no, the stitching's on like backwards, but it's okay. We're good. This one here has little teary eyes. It's got little blue ones. Let's take her plastic off. Very special looking. She again's got the heart with the little wings on. And I love that. I love the fact that I can see her toes. I can see her hands. I'm loving this little hat with the ears on. That's so adorable. This one isn't like furry, it's kind of like plush, but of course it has got her normal furry underneath. She kind of looks like a werewolf baby, doesn't she? Oh, my little werewolf baby. That's what she looks like to me anyway. Loving this, loving her hat, loving this little pink outfit. I could switch their outfits, couldn't I? Like that there is adorable. Love the stars, love the little pom-poms. We've got a pink one and a yellow one. Delightful, lacy detail down at the bottom. She's a cutie patootie. I love her. Now, last but not least, who are we missing? In fact, I don't want to know. I think we're missing the one with the little cat hood on, which is that top left one up there. Or the secret. Which one is it going to be? You tell me. Let's open her up. I'm having such a good day. This has made my whole entire week. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be kitted out with baby threes. Final one. Let's rip her open and see who we get. Fingers crossed though, as always, for boba eyes. Boba eyes! Boba eyes. It is the cat, so we didn't get the secret, sadly, but that's okay. I don't even know what the secret one of these looks like. Just the cutest little trousers. It's got little trousers with these little pom-poms on again. Oh my goodness, look at that cat hat. That is something, isn't it? Wowee, fashionista. Again, hearts and the little wings on there. That's my favourite kind of like little face pattern on them. I love it. I just love it. She does have a bit of a sad face, this one, but it's okay. That's how I feel most of the time anyway. Very cute. Look at her. What a cutie patootie. Yeah, I am absolutely thrilled. I can't even tell you all of my favourite ones because, well, I love them all. Obviously, my least favourite are the ones without the boba eyes. I think my ultimate favourite was probably this little baby, aka the first one, or like I said it was going to be, the bunny one. I adore them. So I do want to say a huge thank you to KikaGoods for sending me these over. As you can tell, I've had a blast of a time. I love them all so much. My nieces are going to be so happy as well because they're going to get some. But yeah, I want to say a huge thank you to KikaGoods for sending me these out. Like I said, they are a really, really good website, especially if you're in the UK and looking for baby threes. They have other sorts of baby threes on there as well. They also have all sorts of blind boxes on there. So you're talking like Farmer Bob, Rico. I've bought Banana Boos from the past. I've bought Melintas from there in the past. They have so many different ones. You can, of course, use my coupon code as well, which is just Chelsey DIY, which will give you 10% extra off your order. But with all that being said, I want to say a huge thank you to KikaGoods for sending me these out. Thank you to you guys obviously for watching and supporting my YouTube channel and being here for all of my DIYs and all of my cute videos. But thank you so much, and I will see you very soon for another one.